Welcome to Bowdens Garden in the autumn of 2020. We all live in a world of technology, faxes, emails, robots. We're a bit old-fashioned here at Bowdens, and as well as taking loads of lovely phone calls from our customers, we've got an exciting competition lined up for you. Just bear with me. So, can you guess how many bulbs there are in this jar? Nothing like an old-fashioned fete or circus competition. How many bulbs are there in this jar? Now, if you have an idea, and if you place an order, minimum of £40, please, on our website or by phone, and let us know the number that you think, the person that's the nearest to the exact number, which I know, will receive a pair of tickets for Chelsea Flower Show next year with a gourmet hamper lunch and the chance to meet the guy that designed the stand and a personal tour. What more could you say? How much more personal could it all be? It's what we love doing at Bowdens, and we love bringing you exciting things like this. So just how many bulbs do you think are in this jar? Have fun!